Welcome to Advanced Python Programming. I'm Chris Cantrell, your instructor. Now that you know how to program in Python, it's time to have some real fun. We're going to program in real-world technologies like databases, network programming, and my favorite, web programming. Since you're going to be spending a few hours listening to me, let me tell you a little bit about me. My name is Christopher Cantrell, Chris. By education, I have a MSEE from the University of Alabama. That's in Tuscaloosa, Roll Tide. I've been programming 30 years, Java, Python, JavaScript, C, C++, others I'm sure. And for as long, 30 years, I've been teaching engineering and programming courses. I was a speaker at Java 1 in San Francisco in the early 2000s. I know this is a Python class, big deal, right? Here's the syllabus for the course. There are 5 modules. The first module is object-oriented programming and a lot of refresher. We'll look back at Python, the difference between 2x and 3x, which you should pick. The second module is all about databases. We'll look at SQL, the Python database API, transactions, and ominous, cool-sounding SQL injection. The third module, that's network programming, sockets, UDP, TCP, programs talking to other programs. That's really cool. Then graphical user interfaces. These are desktop applications. We'll look at tk-enter and the widgets and the layouts that you can do in tk-enter. And finally, we'll do my favorite, web programming. We'll look at Tornado, that's a web framework for Python, and how to reply to requests. We'll look at cookies, and we'll have lots of examples. Each one of these modules has an exercise. You'll pause the videos, go off on your own, and solve these exercises, and then you'll send me your solution for grading. You have a virtual lab machine through UAH. It's a Windows machine. You can access it from any browser, your home computer, your work computer, your phone, wherever you want to work. Python and Eclipse are already installed on it. Now I'll show you how you can install the tools on your home machine. But if you don't want to, the virtual lab machine has everything you need. Any files needed for the exercises, that's on the desktop of the virtual machine. Questions or comments, you can contact me through Canvas. It's pretty easy to do. And you'll submit your exercises to me through Canvas. What do you think? Are you excited? Let's get started.